Welcome to 𝐒𝐲𝐞-𝐖𝐚𝐭 channel. It's an educational journey.
Why do onions make you cry? A scientific breakdown. You've probably felt it before. You cut an onion and within seconds, your eyes start burning, watering and crying. But here's the question. Why does a simple vegetable have the power to make humans cry? Inside every onion are thousands of tiny cells. When the knife slices through them, these cells rupture instantly. This damage releases enzymes and sulfur-containing compounds, chemicals that were safely locked away until now. Once released, the enzyme alliinase reacts with sulfur compounds. This reaction creates a volatile gas called syn-propanethyl S oxide. It's invisible but extremely irritating. The gas rises into the air and drifts toward your face. As you breathe and blink, it reaches your eyes. Your eyes, one of the most sensitive organs in the human body. When the gas touches the surface of your eye, it reacts with the moisture on the cornea. Nerve endings immediately detect irritation and send emergency signals to your brain. Your brain responds fast. Something is wrong. The brain activates the lacrimal glands. These glands begin producing tears rapidly. Tears aren't a sign of weakness. They are a defense mechanism designed to protect your eyes. As tears flow, they wash away the irritating gas molecules. The chemical threat is diluted and slowly removed from the eye surface. Your crying is actually your body saving your vision. Cutting onions under running water helps dissolve the gas. Chilling onions slows the chemical reaction. And using a sharp knife causes less cell damage, releasing fewer irritants. Science makes cooking easier. So the next time onions make you cry, remember, they're not hurting you. They're triggering your body's natural protection system.
Thank you for watching. Please keep supporting us. For more educational videos, please visit our 𝐒𝐲𝐞-𝐖𝐚 channel.